In this video, I will show you how you can install custom world maps for Sims 4. First step, open a browser, and then you just need to write map replacement Sims 4 and go to patreon.com, buy Plumbob. As you can see here, it should be some similar dude here. Then press not this link here, but Willow Creek, right? And then you will see as you can see here, Willow Creek download folder or download file, and you can download it. Also, you can, if you want, you can press to this one, and probably you should get a way more maps here. And once it's done, once the file is here, then you just need to open up File Explorer. Then you need to go to a Documents, then look for Electronic Arts, Sims 4, mods, drag and drop that particular file, and then launch the game. The mods should appear on this list here. If it's not appearing, then what is just to do here is to make sure game options, these two options is selected here. If it's not selected, select it and then apply the changes and restart the game. And then if we go to game, and if I go to worlds here, we can see that the view is changed. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.